If your AI characters keep changing faces, this is the fix. From consistent characters to animated scenes to lip-synced voices, Dzine gives you 20 AI tools to make stories that are just yours.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lay down in pastures green.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own character, animate it, and give it a voice. I'm going to take you from start to finish to show you how to create your own full story. If you'd like to follow along, the link's in the pinned comment below or in the description. So here we are on the Dzine platform, and once you've signed in, you have access to this whole suite of tools here that they have, many different tools here. The first one we're going to do is consistent character. And if you already have images of that character, you can start by uploading, or you can come to character sheet and create a character. So in this top button here, you choose the style, and I'm going to go for this dreamy 3D character look here. So then once you've written in the description of what you want it to look like, click generate, and you can see over here we've got the character sheet being generated right now. So here's the first one, and here's the second one, third one, and the fourth one. I'm going to go with the third one and click build character. I'm going to call this character David. Now we're going to click start training. So while the training's taking place, you can close that and let it get on with it, and it's currently got 90 minutes left. So they have an amazing suite of tools here. The next one I'm going to show you, which is so helpful, is face swap. So you want it to be any of your favorite characters from a movie. I'm going to choose a character, it's not necessarily my favorite, but here's a cool character, Gaston. Let's bring him up to size here. From the movie. I'm not going to mention the movie. Tell me in the comments below what movie this character is from. Okay, let's choose the target face that we want to use. We're going to use my face here. Redetect faces. So now it's detecting the faces in the images, and it's ready to go. Let's click generate. This is exciting. So you can see how cool that is. Let's bring this one alive now. So the way this works is it brings up 4 different images, and then you have the choice here to take that into the AI editor, the AI video, lip sync, expression edit, face swap, enhance or upscale. So we're going to go with number 3, and I'm going to go with AI video on this one. So we're going to take this into AI video. We have a choice of tools here. We have a choice of lots of the leading AI tools such as Kling 1.6 Standard, Pro, 2.0, Pixverse, Minimax, Runway Gen 4 Turbo, Luma. There's so many good tools here to use. So let's go for Runway Gen Turbo, smiling directly at camera.
I am really enjoying this face swap tool. I can be anyone I like.
So I'm just going to try that now with my own recorded voice. So I'm going to upload, select a drop file here, and I've got this quick audio recording that I just did here called the Gaston copy, and it's singing. And just give that a quick play.
No one's slick as Gaston, no one's quick as Gaston, no one's neck's as incredibly thick as Gaston.
So here we are, the consistent character's done, and these are some of the images that I've created using the consistent character. And so you just come into generate images here, and we have the character, choose a character, and the character here is David. So then with David, we just write what we want him to do. Holding a sheep, you're able to create all of the scenes you want just by coming in here. David holding a sheep by a tree and a stream. And then I choose here the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is going to be 16:9 for this, and I want fast generation mode, and click generate. So that's how you create the consistent character image, which is absolutely incredible. You can create this character you've created now in any situation. I mean, for instance, completely out of context to the story, if I wanted, I could have David in New York in Times Square. Just to show you the versatility of how you can now take this character and put them in any situation or circumstance that you would like to. So here we have David in Times Square in New York. Go here, how you bring these shots to life now. AI video, and you're choosing image 1 or image 2. So I'm going to go image 1 here, and I'm going to pick, you could pick an end frame as well if you wanted, but just going to do a beginning frame. So now it's going to generate David in the middle of Times Square looking around amazed. So that's incredible. So the next thing I'm going to do is bring to life an image to video. And this is 4 examples that I brought to life with image to video. And with this one, I used a beginning frame and an end frame. Inside of AI Editor, you have the choice where you can edit images into the video. So for instance here, insert an object. And I picked an image that I made here of a cap, which is the act hat here. And then you brush the area where you want the cap to go, and then you just click generate, and that will generate a cap on the guy now, a Roman soldier on a horse. So the possibilities here are incredible. They're endless what you can do here. And then you have the option, another AI tool here, to put your product within a setting. So for instance, you can take your product here, your hat, or whatever it is. You can remove the background, which we've done here, and then you can choose somewhere nice where you want to put it. So we'll put it on this wooden desk here. And here's some nice product shots of the hat in different situations. I quite like this one. This is nice. So I'll download that. You can download it as a PNG. You can upscale it as well, and I'll upscale it and download it at the same time. There's lots of amazing tools in here that you can use, and I hope you really enjoyed seeing around Dzine. It's definitely worth checking out. So instead of juggling between 5 different tools, Dzine helps you tell your story without having to jump between platforms. So if you want to create your own short animated stories with consistent characters and their own voices, Dzine has you covered. With all the tools you've seen here today in this demonstration, make sure to check it out in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video, either here or here.